I'm Angie Gallagher with Heart Wellness Coaching, and I'm from Corvallis, Oregon. So my business prior to finding Perfect Practice was essentially non-existent except for just a few clients. I was just trying to do one-on-one health and wellness coaching, and I didn't really know my avatar. I didn't really know how to market. I really didn't know a lot about business at all. And I was just trying to get word of mouth, trying to promote without really knowing how to promote. I didn't know how to talk about myself. I didn't know how to toot my own horn. I was just struggling. I mean, I had one or two clients. I was so blessed to come across the Perfect Practice Live weekend workshop. And I just feel like that was a God thing, that I even heard about it and signed up for it. And I was immediately connected with Sachin and his message. I loved everything about that entire weekend. I felt like he and every other speaker were just directly speaking to me. Everyone in that community is very heart-centered. And I felt like this is my community. This is my tribe. This is what I want to be doing. It's very functional medicine based. So I'm very much drawn to the functional medicine message and approach to healthcare. And so it just resonated with me entirely. Since the Perfect Practice Mentorship, life has changed like 180 degrees. I'm in love with my life. I am in love with having my own business, having freedom of time, freedom of location, freedom of just making my own decisions and running my business the way I want to run it. I'm getting ready to go house and dog sit in Hawaii, and I can do that without having to stop or pause any aspect of my business. I can do anything I want to do from anywhere in the world. I can connect with people online, I feel like just as easily as in person. I can hold space for people on a Zoom session, and I think people feel that. And so I love what Perfect Practice has given me in terms of all of these different freedoms. I can't say enough. My biggest takeaway from the Perfect Practice Mentorship is the power of community and the power of shared vision. Sachin's vision is one that I think we all get behind, and he kind of helps us all be our own sort of little visionaries, learning from his vision. And the community aspect of this group has been incredible for me. When I've had some low moments where I've felt a little hopeless, and I reached out to this community, and the love and support that I got from everyone in this community was enough to sort of boost my spirits and keep me pushing forward. And things always end up turning around. And it's just this collective energy and support and love that I think has been a big part of that. I would say the biggest surprise for me in this mentorship is the relationships. I knew I would meet people and I would have, some colleagues and conversations, but what has ended up happening is I have made some of the best friends in my life, really close connections, people who I can say that I love, even though I have not met them in person. Since the Perfect Practice Mentorship, I actually have a business. I actually have clients. I have a community. So I've learned how to run a group health transformation program. It's a hybrid of group and one-on-one coaching. And I have an amazing community of people who we come together every week for group coaching. I'm approaching 100 people who have gone through my program. And this is just a couple years into the mentorship. So I feel like that's pretty great. My monthly revenue has tripled since I started this program. I would recommend Perfect Practice Mentorship 1,000%. I would recommend anyone do this program if they're trying to grow their business. It has just been an absolutely pivotal game changer for me, and I without hesitation would recommend anyone do this program. I just want to thank you, Sachin and Deepa, and all of the coach mentors in your program. This has been an amazing 2 years. I would never be where I am at without you, without your guidance, your vision, your support, and the whole community that you have assembled. I owe you so much.